My name is Tamsanqa Mthethwa. I'm a founder of a company called Khubaze Mining Solutions from Mpumalanga, Emalahleni. What motivated me to start the business is the innovation part. It's the technology that's involved in the business, because it's different in a way that, unlike the raw materials that we use, most businesses dig the coal, so we manufacture coal, we pelletize it. So it's a technology that's quite new in the market, because as we all know, all the good coal is going overseas. We are left with waste. So that part where we convert waste, which is environmentally a hazard because it pollutes the air that we live in. So our product it's a way of gathering that waste, which is environmentally not friendly, and converting into revenue. We should buy my product because it solves the problem of currently, which is energy. We're currently experiencing energy challenge in South Africa, and yet we don't have alternative energy, which our forefathers used to use, which are coal stoves. So our product lasts longer in terms of heating. A champagne-sized bucket lasts for 8 hours. So it's quite friendly, consumer friendly. It's less smoke as well. It's not a hazard in that sense. We can access my product mostly currently via WhatsApp, which my number is 064 783 1070. Hi, I'm Tamsanqa Mthethwa. I'm a township entrepreneur.